All right, let's talk about how to hold a classical guitar. I have my guitar here, and I also have a footstool here. And I am right-handed. I'm going to put this footstool on my left leg, and my leg is up like this. When I go to play a classical guitar, you want to put it on your left leg. So if you're right-handed, you put it on your left leg. If you're right-handed, you would be like this. That feels funny to me. So here we are. I'm right-handed. It's on my left leg. And then I don't want it going straight out like this. I want it on an angle. This first tuning peg right here, I want it almost level or a bit higher than where my eyes are. So it might be a bit low right now. There we go, like that. So you want it up like that. And this leg sort of holds it into place. It's just sort of resting there. To place this arm, I want to go just below my elbow right here. I want to put that part on this edge of my guitar like that. And then my hand comes around and I can play the notes like this. If you notice, there's lots of space in between my guitar and my hand. I don't put my hand like this or on it. You want lots of space. You can almost get another hand width in there. And then you can play like that. This hand, you want to get maximum motion out of your fingers. And the way you do that is you keep your thumb down low and up and down. Let me show you on the back here. So it's up and down like this, and it's along the bottom half of the guitar. So what that means is no sticking your thumb up here, because then it's harder to move your fingers. You want it down low so you get a nice range of where your hands can go on the guitar. And that is how you hold your guitar.